Looking for some fun things to do as a family this summer? Well, we've got you covered. At Crafty Hackers, we put together some amazing hacks for parents and kids. Make sure to hit the notification bell to be the first to see our new Crafty Hackers videos. And if you like this one, give it a thumbs up. Here we go! Bowling. With some toilet paper rolls, a ball, some paint, and a splash of imagination, you can create a bowling game for family game night. Let's start by gathering your cardboard rolls. Add a bit of color with some paint. Use as many colors as you like on your bowling pins. Add fun little details and designs. Once you've painted about 6 pins, set them up for your game. All you need now is a little bowling ball. Let's bowl! Pencil shaving art. If you've got some colored pencils, paper, and a pencil sharpener, try this creative activity together. Draw the body of a butterfly and the stem of a flower. Then gather some colored pencil shavings. Glue them onto your flower stem to add a 3-dimensional element to your art. Add more than one layer to take that flower to the next level. Now let's make the butterfly wings. Glitter glue makes for a sparkly butterfly body. You can make a fish too, just follow this template. Then glue on the pencil shavings as fins. Make that fish shimmer with glitter glue. This art is definitely frame-worthy. Toy beach set. You can have a lot of fun with some paper cups and little figurines. Cut a section on your paper cup. Fold it back and glue it in place. Cut 4 more sections out and fold every other section inside the paper cup. Check it out! You just made a little chair for your little friend. Cut 4 sections in your next paper cup and fold every other section inside the cup again. Then use a paper plate as a guide and draw a circle. Cut out your circle and mark a dot in the center. Cut a slit up to the center and fold it over. Then fold again in the other direction. Do this all the way around. Glue the ends together with a glue stick. Once the glue dries, spread it out. Now you'll need a straw. Cut 3 sections in the end of the straw and bend them back like this. Glue the straw sections to the inside of the folded paper circle, and voila! You've just made a mini beach umbrella. Remember that cup we cut out earlier? You can use it as a table for your new umbrella. Just cut a little hole in the bottom of the cup and push your straw through. Add your chairs and let your dolls enjoy the shade from the umbrella. Tic-tac-toe. Everyone loves a game of tic-tac-toe. Here's a creative way to make your own game set. You'll need stirring sticks or popsicle sticks, a couple of wine corks, and some fuzzy craft balls. Mark spots on your sticks so you can make even sections on your tic-tac-toe board. Hot glue them into place. Now we need the game pieces. Using an X-Acto knife, carefully cut the wine corks into small sections. Glue a fuzzy ball to your cork piece. That can be your X color. And glue a different color ball to the cork piece for your O color. Keep going until you have enough pieces in each color. Then start playing. Photo frames. Did you know you can make photo frames out of popsicle sticks and some decorative tape? We'll show you how. Apply the decorative tape to the length of the popsicle stick. Cut the tape to match the curve of the end of the stick. Follow these steps again with a different tape design. Glue the sticks together to make a square shape. Now take a bunch of different colored popsicle sticks and line them up evenly. Glue a stirring stick to the back, like this. Add a few decorative elements and finish with your favorite pictures. Now you've got very creative picture frames that you made together. Anti-monster spray. If you've got young ones who are afraid of monsters in the dark, we've got a solution. Just fill a spray bottle with your magic anti-monster spray and decorate it with your favorite stickers and glitter glue. Use a marker to write your magic no monster phrase on the bottle. Then trace over the marker with glitter paint. Next, add your favorite stickers, the ones that will scare monsters away. If you think there might be monsters in your room, keep this magic spray by your bed and spray them away. It works. Hidden candies. If your kids raid the cupboards for the candy bag, try this disguise. Cut a slit in the back of a bag of vegetables and empty them out into another container. Clean out the inside of the bag. Now move your candies from the candy bag to the vegetable bag. The kids will think it's a bag of vegetables, but you'll know the real secret. Snack to go. Looking for a fun way to make snacks for the kiddos? Try this. Grab a clothespin, some pipe cleaners, and a few fuzzy dots. Cut the pipe cleaner in half. Glue the fuzzy dots to the end of the clothespin. And glue the pipe cleaner pieces to either side of the clothespin. Curl the ends down. Instead of using 2 snack bags, put 2 kinds of snacks in one bag. Separate them with your butterfly clothespin. Now you've got a fun and functional butterfly snack bag. Right versus left shoe for kids. Teach your kids how to put their shoes on with this little trick. Learning how to put your shoes on right can be tricky when you're little, but not when you use this fun trick. Find some fun cloth stickers, like hearts. Cut the sticker in half and attach it to the inside of the shoe, as close to the inner side as possible. Stick the other half of the sticker in the other shoe at the same spot. Then tell your child to make the heart match up. Then they will know their right shoe from their left shoe. Detangle Barbie hair. We've all seen what can happen to Barbie hair after a while. It's hard to get those tangles out, but we've got a quick fix for that. Pour some fabric softener into a bowl. Submerge the doll's hair into the bowl and swirl it around for a bit. After the doll is done soaking, rinse her hair in a bowl of water. Dry it off with a towel, and you should be able to brush right through. It's so shiny too. Abstract painting. You don't need paints to make a beautiful painting. Give this a try. Take 3 bowls and some dishwashing liquid. Stir some dishwashing liquid into the bowls and add some water. Add different colored soap dyes to each bowl. Stir, stir, stir. You might want to wear latex gloves for this part. Using a straw, blow bubbles into your colorful soap dish. After the bubbles form, dab your paper on the bubbles. That's some pretty cool abstract art. Here's another way to make abstract art. Get a plate, some yarn or string, and some acrylic paints. Cut a few sections of yarn. Then squirt a dab of different colored paints onto your plate. Put on your gloves. Run the string through some paint. Then put it on your canvas. Repeat with the different colors. Add water to your yarn to make the paint a thinner consistency. Put the paint on your string and add it to your canvas. Create as many string designs as you want. Draw the string across the page as a big paintbrush to change up the style. Very impressive. Let's do another art piece. This time we are going to use glue, paintbrushes, and salt. Make a design on your paper with glue, using a paintbrush to work it in. Make sure you have a thick layer of glue. Then sprinkle salt over the glue. Pat it down to make sure it sticks. Shake off the excess salt. Now let's add some watercolor paint. Dab the paint over your creation and watch the way the salt changes. It creates a really cool texture. Sticky roller. If you've spilled glitter everywhere, here's a quick way to clean it up. Just grab a lint roller. Roll it over the glitter. The glitter will stick to the roller. This makes cleaning up easy and quick. And thanks for watching Crafty Hackers! Please subscribe to our channel for more hacks. See you later!